About what is this story about?
Class player.
Cassette player.
Classes player.
Okay. And is it old or new technology?
Oh,
Okay. Have you ever seen it before?
yes.
I think no.
Yes.
Yes, very.
Yes.
Okay. When you want to listen to the music, what do you need?
Microphone. Microphone.
No. You
Hey,
need this
microphone.
one. This one. Okay. What is it?
Headphone.
Okay, headphone.